In this digital landscape, artificial intelligence is almost taking over the world and wiping off human labor. However, the advancement has gained a new height with the introduction of great tools like ChatGPT. Will AI help us in our jobs or replace us? This is the question everyone has in their minds, irrespective of the field and industry to which they belong. But among all those fields, AI is likely to make a significant impact in marketing. AI in marketing will transform operations and revolutionize marketers' approach and planning to achieve their goals. Marketers need to understand their customers, and with AI, their job gets effortless. AI helps them to utilize a vast amount of data to craft efficient marketing strategies, making them more focused on their customers than ever. 4 types of marketing AI technologies. The 4 types of marketing AI technology include 1. Standalone automation apps. In this category, technology tends to serve a single purpose, and most of the time, it is not incorporated with other AI technologies. For instance, simple thank you notes or automated social media publishing tools that customers witness when they sign up for a download or newsletter. Unlike other AI advanced forms, standalone automation applications don't learn from their communications. 2. Integrated automation apps. These types of apps involve a few types of logic-based rules. A customer relation management (CRM) that assigns labels to customers depending on their behaviors would be an example of integrated automation. 3. Standalone ML apps. This standalone machine learning (ML) technology boosts human efforts by learning from its communication. Chatbots that can recognize when to transfer an interaction to a live agent are the most common example of this type of automation. 4. Integrated ML apps. Integrated ML applications don't need frequent input from users. One of the most common examples of ML apps is the Netflix recommendation engine, which analyzes the user's behavior and offers recommendations. What is the role of AI in marketing? Artificial intelligence is affecting several marketing strategies in unique ways. Technology is becoming your most efficient marketing enabler. For instance, predictive analytics is used to process vast amounts of data quickly. Natural language processing, NLP, is used to extract meaningful insights from human language data. Machine learning, ML, is used to make more efficient decisions. Artificial intelligence will help you to predict the next move of your customer and create marketing strategies accordingly. Utilizing more complicated techniques than basic programming, artificial intelligence learns to offer better results since it improves over time like human beings. This can be integrated with ML, which is essential to understand the purchasing habits of customers. Then we have deep learning technology, which concentrates more on targeted elements that involve voice recognition, image classification, etc. This technology helps to create auto-creating visual content and automated chats. All above-mentioned artificial intelligence technologies are making marketing more targeted and powerful. That's why equipping yourself with different AI tools is already what you require. Benefits of AI in marketing. You will be surprised to know the immense application and benefits of artificial intelligence in marketing and the boosts it gives to your numbers. Let's dive into those details. Increased ROI. Smart artificial intelligence tools help marketers collect targeted data from particular campaigns. This decreases the net marketing expense as there is no need to spend on unnecessary data collection techniques. Real-time personalization. Personalization starts with understanding the preferences of customers and then giving them a solution accordingly. Artificial intelligence helps to collect demographics, location data, and buying history, which ultimately helps you to personalize your real-time marketing campaigns. With predictive analytics, AI comes to know the behavior of customers and gives you essential suggestions. This is the same technology that Google, Netflix, and Instagram utilize for suggestions. Faster decision-making with artificial intelligence. There's no need to wait till the campaign concludes to make insightful decisions. It helps you to utilize real-time information, and ML helps you to make more informed decisions. There's no need to surf through various data sheets, as artificial intelligence brings everything you want to make the right decisions. Increased measurement and analysis. Data analysis and its measurement are fantastic sources to improve targeted marketing campaigns. It allows you to track your success as well as failures back to particular campaigns, helping you to select the right technique for your next marketing plan. Without artificial intelligence, a heavy amount of distracted data can misguide you, ultimately creating problems when making future plans. Challenges of AI in marketing. In marketing, when you are dealing with artificial intelligence, AI, you should know that you are going to predict something in its early stages. Artificial intelligence is in its evolution phase, so you can't completely rely on this. It may put you through difficulties that might be unknown previously. Please check part 2 of this video. Here's what artificial intelligence requires from you.